With this heart, we'll be able to bring our patient back stronger. I can't. No. Happy Halloween. It's Grillslingers. We're cooking beef heart. I don't even know what this is. Let's go. Yeah, it's dead. I don't know why I even put the stickers on it. All right, so happy Halloween from Grillslingers. We are going to attempt something that we have not attempted before. We have attempted a themed episode before, but we have not attempted to cook a beef heart. I have had no type of heart organs before except for chicken hearts, and that was a very long time ago when I was a child and I was very scared. But after doing a lot of research online and figuring out what we could do to make a Halloween episode a little bit more special, we figured out that we could cook a beef heart. And if you've never had it before, what Google says about beef heart is that it is, obviously it's a vital organ. The texture though is very different than what people expect. It's not a very tough muscle when you cook it. It actually ends up being a little bit softer. Really good for charcuterie boards and things like that. So we're gonna have to treat this a little bit more gentle than we would with normal steaks. So the first step here, this beef heart has already been quartered, or I guess halved. We're gonna have to clean this thing up a little bit before we get it onto the smoker. So we're gonna remove a lot of the, I didn't think I was ever gonna have to say this on camera, the pericardial sac, which is the part that goes around. I'm here dressed up as a surgeon, trimming a beef heart for a Grillslinger. Okay, we're gonna remove some of this hard fat. Believe it or not, pretty much every mammal has a little bit of fat around their heart. Some people have more than others, and I'm sure you could guess who. Jeff, have you ever had heart before? Not cow heart? What kind of heart have you had? Venison, okay. Now what we're gonna do when we cook this, so we're actually gonna rub it in mustard and then put some of our barbecue rub on the outside. All right. We are rubbed in mustard. And now we are going to put some rub on that. I've got Kinder's just salt, pepper, garlic blend, and we are gonna go to town. Okay, top 3 Halloween movies. I'm gonna go with Friday the 13th. What was the second one I said? 28 Days Later. Evil Dead. All right, so these are all seasoned up. Ideally, you want this to rest in the fridge for anywhere from an hour up to overnight. You have to have a resting heart rate. Thank you, Jeffrey. So we're gonna go put these in the fridge and go grab the one that I did earlier and get it on the smoker. All right, here is our prepped beef heart. So here's what we're gonna do. This is gonna go on the smoker. It's got 250 right now. We are trying to cook this to an internal temperature of about 140. I think it's about right around medium. And then we're gonna let it rest and then slice and serve. Well, let's see how it goes. All right, it's time to dive in and try our beef heart. I'm a little nervous. So let's go ahead and get a little slice here. Cook looks good. Alrighty, happy Halloween. That's not bad. Could have done a little better on the cook. It's not too chewy. It's pretty tender. It reminds me of sirloin a lot. That's not bad. Oh, there's the iron. Okay. Definitely a very distinct flavor. Well, from our family to yours, happy Halloween. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you made a beef heart and you got any comments about how we did it, drop one below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.